பூனை பூனை பூனை. ஹை ஹை. Yeah. Hello student, today we are going to see electricity full example problem solution we are going to discuss. Okay. From one by one we'll start. Yeah. First problem. Example as well as exercise problem we are going to discuss. Okay. Current is given 0.5. Time is given 10 minutes. They asked about the how much charge. Q is question mark. Okay. Current is equal to charge by time. Time, if you are taken that side, current into time is equal to charge. So what is charge? Charge is equal to current into time. Current how much is given? So current is given as a 0.5. So current is given 0.5. What is time? Time is given 10 minutes. 10 minutes how many seconds? 10 minutes is 10 into 60. So always the problem you should do with the MKS system, meter kilogram second. So 600 seconds. So why is it 600 second? 10 minutes is 600 second only. Okay. This is ampere. Current into time will have charge. That's called coulombs. So now see here. So 0.5 no. You can take it 1 by 2 also. 1 by 2 into 600. So we will cancel this 300. Charge only we found no. Unit will be, charge unit is going to be called as a coulombs. Otherwise 0.5 into 600 you can multiple. So what I can get? 3000, one decimal will go off. So 300. So charge I will get as a 300 coulombs. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Charge is given 2 coulombs. Voltage is given 12 volt. They asked about the work done. So voltage is equal to work done by charge. Charge take that side. Voltage into charge is equal to work done. So now work done is voltage into charge. Voltage is 12, charge is 2. 12 into 2 how much? 12 into 2, 24. Work done only we are finding. Unit will be joules. Okay. Next. Third question. Okay, we'll see the symbol. Only one positive, one negative is like this. No, we can call cell. Combination of cells. Combination of cells. No, we can call it is a battery. 3 or 4 like that we can take it. Example. In case I have like this. So this is one of the previous year question only. Like this is given. Okay, everything 2 volt. What is the total voltage? Each cell is 2 volt. What is total voltage? 6 volt. Okay. Now in a circuit like this is given no. It is called open key. Okay, open key is called switch off. Normal switch only. It is off condition. If dot is given no, it is on condition. Okay. Next one. This no. 1, 2, 3. All lines join together. Here no, just getting crossed. It's not joining. It's getting going above the wire. Okay. Next one, bulb symbol. One more thing you can do. This also bulb symbol. If light is on means like this you can give. Off means simply you can give this diagram. Resistance. And what is this? We have big confusion with this. Rheostat. Rheostat we can call as a variable resistance or voltage controller also we can call. This is called voltage controller. Voltage controller. Okay. Next, ammeter. It is used to find the current. Voltmeter, it is used to find the voltage. I am going to do with the third problem now. It is a very important derivation. So this one is a very important derivation. Already we know factors. Resistance directly proportional to length. Resistance inversely proportional to area. What is the meaning? Length increases, resistance will increase. Length decreases, resistance decrease. That's the meaning of directly proportional. Area inversely proportional. Area decrease, resistance increase. Inversely proportional. Area increase, resistance decrease. Opposite thing will do. Okay. Now we'll see L by A. If you want to remove this, you'll add the constant. That's called resistivity here, length by area. So what is this? No, resistivity. They ask you to derive the expression in resistivity. You can do this. Okay. Area you can take it this side, length you can take it this side. Resistivity is equal to resistance area by length. Unit of resistance ohms. Unit of area meter square. Unit of length meter. Get cancelled. Ohm meter we can have. The unit of resistivity is called ohm meter. SI unit of resistivity is called ohm meter. See here which is given. Ohm meter. Different material have different resistivity. That's a tabular column is given here. Okay, next third problem. V is equal to IR. They asked about the I. I is equal to V by R. V is how much? 220. R is 1200. Just you can do the calculation. See here. Normal calculation only you can do. 0.0. How many times we'll get? So almost one time. Next 0, 0, 1, 0. So what I'm going to get 8 times. 960. So 0.18. 0.18 ampere. That's the first answer. Second one also I. V is 220. R is 100. I is equal to V by R. 220 divided by 100. So 2.2 ampere. Okay. Next question. Yeah, thank you. Next one. 4. 12th chapter 4th problem we are going to discuss. Voltage is 60, current is 5 ampere. Again the voltage is increasing 60 to 120. Now they asked what about the current flowing. First we will find the resistance. 60 volt 4 ampere. You can find what is the resistance. Resistance not going to change, it's going to fixed. Okay, because here 2 voltage is given. You will get easily confusion. So R is equal to Ohm's law. R is equal to V by I, because V is equal to IR. V is how much? 60. I is 4. So 15 ohms I'll get as the R. The second, V is given 120. I found R is, V is given 120. I found R is 15 ohms. So I is equal to V by R. Very simple. V is 120. R is 15. So the current is going to flow with the 8 ampere. Okay. Next question. It's a fifth question. Very important question and also difficult question. So I will do it. Okay. L is 1 meter. L is 1 meter. A is not given. R is 26. R is 26. So collect the data which and all is given in the question. R is 26. Actually in this problem we don't want resistance. Temperature. Temperature is given as 20 degrees Celsius, which is not required. Dia is given as 0.3 millimeter. Now I am going to find the problem. See here how I am going to do. They asked about the resistivity and also they asked you to refer the tabular column. Resistivity is a question mark. I know already resistivity is the resistance times of A by L. A is called, it is a cylindrical wire only. Area of cross section pi r square. So pi r square divided by L. R is not given. Diameter is given. If you want radius, dia divided by 2. What is dia? 0.3 divided by 2. Millimeter. Whenever you got the problem in millimeter, convert as a meter. Then only the problem will be valid. Okay. Millimeter to the meter conversion, you should make it 10 power minus 3. Multiple with 10 power minus 3. Okay. Always. Millimeter to meter, 10 power minus 3 multiplication. So 3 divided by 2, 1.5, 0.15 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Now I am going to do the problem. Resistivity Resistance how much? 26. Pi is how much? 22 by 7. R is how much? 0.15. 0.15 into 10 power minus 3 whole square divided by length is 1. Okay. 26, 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into 0.15 into 0.15 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. So 26 into 22 by 7 into 0.15 into 0.15 into 10 power minus 6. Resistivity unit ohmmeter. Now we'll do the calculation. 15 into 15. 225. 15 into 15, 225. 15 into 15, 225. So 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal. 0.0225, because we have 4 decimal here, 4 decimal, same 4 decimal I kept, minus 6 ohm meter. 22 by 7 I can write 3.14 into 26. So again 314 into 26. So this together will get as 8164 into 2 decimal. This together will get 0.025225 into 10 power minus 6. Now this 2 multiplication. Yeah, finally I got this. Here 4 decimal, here 2 decimal. Totally 6 decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal. So answer I'll get 1.836 into 10 power minus 6 ohm meter. Now we'll see the tabular column, which is the answer. Already I told you, resistivity tabular column. So this is resistivity tabular column. 1.84. 1.84, this is the answer. Into 10 power minus 6. Okay, so you should give this name. It's also asked in a 1-year CBSE exam. Next question. Next, length and area is given, resistance is given. Now length of area double. What is the new resistance? So R is equal to rho L by A, same wire, R1, L1, A1. R2 is equal to rho L2 by A2, new resistance. Now we have to compare R1 and R2. So L2 no. Second condition, L1 divided by 2. That's what is given. A2 is 2 times of A1. That is given in the question. R is given as a 4 ohms. Now they asked about the what is R2. R2 is equal to rho L2 by A2. L2 is how much? Half of L1. Rho, same material. Same material, this one will be same. Okay. So L1 divided by 2 and 2 times of A1. Length of area double, 2 to 4. So 1 by 4 rho L1 by A1. L1 by A1 already I told you it is called R1. R1 how much? 4. So 4 by 4. Answer will be 1 ohms. Very simple. R2 will be 1 ohms. Next question. Resistance in series. Resistance in series, no. You can add R1 plus R2 plus R3. Directly you can add all the resistance. Here 4 ohms. This is given 20 ohms. Now what is the total resistance? That's the first question. Total resistance. R total is equal to R1 plus R2. 4 plus 20, 24. The next one, what is the total current? Total current. I is equal to V by R according to Ohm's law. Everything total. V total how much? 6. R total how much? 24. So 1 by 4. How much current? Current is going to be, total current flowing is 0.25. 1 by 4, 0.25. So current is 0.25 ampere. In series, current is constant. Always, all the places it's going to be same. 0.25, 0.25. Now, next thing, the voltage across each lamp. V1 and V2. In current in series constant. V1 is equal to IR1. V2 is equal to IR2. I is how much? 0.25. R1 by 4. So 1 by 4, R1 is 4. So 1 volt we can get as V1. V2, 1 by 4 into 20, R2. V by 1 by 4 into 20. We'll have 5 ohms, 5 volt. So 1 volt plus 5 volt. We have 6 volt. Total voltage is 6. Total voltage is going to be 6. Applied voltage is 6. Total voltage also 6. But R1 resistance have 1 volt. R2 resistance have 5 volt. Current is flowing in the circuit is 0.25 ampere, or we can call 1 by 4 ampere. Next. Now, 8th problem we are going to discuss. Yeah, see, it is a parallel circuit. So we are going to find what is the total resistance. Okay, so parallel circuit, no, we know it's going to be a 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So now we'll see what are the question is asked. First thing, find the total resistance. Okay, 1 by Rp is equal to 10, 15, 30. 1 by 10, sorry, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30. So take common LCM, otherwise you can do with the cross multiplication. Here I am going to take with the common LCM. Here 3 if you are multiplying, denominator will get 30. Here 6, denominator will be 30. Okay, so 1 by RP is equal to 6 by 30 plus 3 by 30 plus 1 by 30. So now common LCM is 30. So denominator will be 30. Numerator 6 plus 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10. So RP, 1 by RP is equal to 10 by 3, 10 by 30. The answer will be RP. Total resistance will be 3 ohms. Total resistance we got as a 3 ohms. Now we are going to find what is the total current. Okay, total resistance we found. Easily we can find the total current. I is equal to V by R. Okay, V is how much? So V is 12. I is 3. So 4 ampere total current. Okay, the next one, the current on each resistance they asked. Current on each resistance. In parallel voltage is constant. Okay. So like this you can write. Okay, I applied with the 12 volt. So 12 volt I applied. So I1, I2, I3. Voltage constant. R1, R2, R3. Okay. Now one by one we'll find. So first I1. I1 is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. I3 is equal to V by R3. What is V? 12. What is R1? 5. 12 by 10, again 12 by 30. Here voltage remains constant. Okay. Next one. 12 by 5. What is answer? 12 by 5. So I1, I2, I3 all together will give us the total current. 4 ampere. Okay. 12 by 5. 10 to 2.4 ampere. So I1 is 2.4 ampere. What is I2? 12 by 10, 1.2. What is I3 now? 12 by 30. So 12 by 30. So 0.0. So 120 will be get as a 4 times. So 0.4. So totally I will get as a 4 ampere. Okay. That's it. Very simple problem. Next. Next question. Yeah, now we are going to find the total resistance here. Okay, total resistance. So how to find this answer? Okay, it's very simple. Total resistance and total current we are going to calculate. So it is a problem number, example problem number 9. Okay. 10, 40, 30, 20, 60. These are the resistance. 10, 40, 40, 30, 20, 60. 20, 60. Okay, this in CBSE exam also they asked. First you find this 2 solution, then you find this 3 solution, then this 2 will be in series. Don't take it everything in a parallel. Okay. Now, see here, the first time going to find this 2 solution in parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. So common LCM 40. So just 4 plus 1. Okay, otherwise you can multiple with 4 here. Denominator will get as a 40. So what is the answer? Will get 5 by 40. So 1 by Rp. So flip the equation. Rp is equal to 40 by 5. So 8 ohms. This answer will get as a 8 ohms. Again this one. This 3 in parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. Okay. Here also we will make common LCM. So what is that now? Here multiple with 2. Here multiple with 3. Denominator we should get as a 60. Okay. 2 by 60 plus 3 by 60 plus 1 by 60. So we'll have 2, 3, 3, 6 by 60. So we'll get 1 by 10. It's called Rp. So Rp is equal to 10 ohms. So this answer 10 ohms, that answer 8 ohms. Now our circuit is modified like that. Okay, very simple format it's get modified. Here one answer 8 ohms. Then here ammeter, they asked about the ammeter reading. Okay, here one resistance, that's called 10 ohms. We simplified. Voltage applied in this, how much voltage is applied now? Just how much voltage is applied? Just check the question paper. Sorry, question. 12 volt. 12 volt. Okay. So voltage is 12. Resistance is how much? 18 ohms. I is equal to V by R. 12 by 18. 6 tables. 2 by 3. So 666 bar. So answer will be 0.666 bar. Will have 0.67 ampere. Okay. Next question. Next question. So 10th problem I'll do later. Energy is given 100. Resistance is given 4. Time is given each second. Time is 1 second. They asked about the potential difference. Okay, energy is equal to I square RT. Joule's law of ET. Energy is how much? 100. Current we don't know. Resistance is how much? 4. Time is 1. Okay. So 4 you can take it denominator, 100 divided by 4 will have 25. So root of 25, I will get root of 25. The answer will be 5 ampere. Current will be 5 ampere. Again voltage, V is equal to IR. How much V? I 5. How much R? 4. 5 into 4 will have 20. Very simple. Voltage is 20. In this answer for voltage is 20 volt. Next one. Yes, okay, next one. Because, yeah, though, thank you. Next. What is 1 kWh? Kilowatt hour. Okay, actually kilowatt hour is going to be called as energy. Okay, energy. So how it is going to be energy? No, it's very simple. Kilowatt is how much watt? Kilowatt is how much watt? 1000 watt. Okay, 1 hour is how much second? 3600 second. 1 hour is this much. 1 kilowatt is this much. This two multiplication will give 36123 50 watt second. What is watt second? Power into time is equal to energy. Power is equal to energy by time. Power into time is equal to energy. So now finally 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros I am moving this side. So 3.6 into 10 power plus 6. So power watt second we can call as a joules. Thank you. Okay, next one. Next problem. Okay, current is given this much, voltage is given this much. They asked about power. V is given, I is given. P is equal to VI. VI, I square R, V square by R. Anything you can use. So I want this formula. So what is V? 220, I 0.5. 220 into 0.5. 0.5 you can write off, already I told you. The answer I will get as 110. We are finding power. Unit of power, watt. Next. Next one. Power is given 400 watt. Time is given 8 hour. Power into time will give energy. Power into time will give energy. Okay, it is only for one day. 400 into 8 watt hour. Okay, power into time will be energy. Again, they want 30 days. What is the energy? 400 into 8 into 30 watt hour. Okay. Actually, commercial unit no. 1 kWh is 3 rupees. They want cost of this cost of the electric bill. So energy is equal to 400 into 8 into 30. This is the WH. If you want to convert WH to the kilowatt hour, divided by 1000. So if you that's just divided by 1000 will give us a WH to the kWh. Okay, 400 into 8 into 30. Just cancel 4 into 8 into 30 kWh. Okay. Now per kWh is 3 rupees. The cost of the bill. Okay, per kWh this many kWh will be there. So 4 into 3 into 8 again 3 rupees. Why sir again 3? Because 3 rupees. Okay, now we are calculating the cost. Okay. Now this multiplication will give the answer. So what is 3 into 3? 9. 4 into 8. 32 into 9. 288 rupees. Okay, thank you. So again we'll be solving with the previous year question paper. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.